Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's me, and I'm very excited today. I'm going to be giving away some squishies and some slime. There will only be one winner, sadly. I want to give one to all of you, but I can't. But this giveaway will be international, so wherever you are in the world, you have a chance of winning. Here are the rules to enter. You must be 18 or older or have your parents' permission to enter. You also have to be subscribed to me on YouTube and have liked this video. Then you need to comment down below a way that I can contact you if you win. This could be your Instagram or your Musical.ly or your Facebook, whatever you have, but be sure to ask your parents which one they would like you to use before commenting. And do not comment your address. Now let's see what you might be winning. Oh, this one's really soft. This one smells like bubblegum. Like fruity bubblegum. It's delicious. Aw man, I can't eat it. As you can see, there's a lot of really fun things to win. The giveaway is ending at the end of the month, so enter now while it's still open. I hope you guys enjoy. I really hope whoever's watching right now wins. I really hope you win if you're entering. Here are the shoutouts for this week. If you want a shout out, comment down below #GemSquad for a chance to get one in the next video. I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Love is sweet, love is blind, works run, 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 run. We bop and pretty hot. I'll never be a millionaire.
Say hi to Noodles. Aww.